Hey guys, and welcome to The Legend of Melda. Today we are tackling one of my favorite games, Pokemon Red version. To be fair, I love all the Pokemon games. I really do. They're all fabulous in their own way. X and Y and Black and White, you know. Even them. Even those games. So I thought it'd be fun, since I've played this game 100 billion times, to do a challenge. I've never done a challenge before, and as you can see, I am using an emulator. Let me get that out of the way. Sorry. I don't have any cheats activated. Honestly, it's because I don't know how. But I think I can walk faster with this specific emulator. I'll put the link in the description if you're interested. But other than that, I don't have anything special going on. But the challenge I'm going to do, which is in the title, is the bird challenge. And I'm just going to use all bird types. Now, this is going to be incredibly difficult considering the first bird you get is Pidgey and the first leader is Brock. So it's going to be a little while. I'll be cutting some parts out and such like that. In this game, I will really only be able to get 5 bird types. When I say bird type, I mean literal bird type, not flying or normal otherwise. So it's Pidgey, Spearow, Doduo, Farfetch'd, and Psyduck. And the legendaries. I don't know if I'm going to catch the legendaries yet. I haven't really given much thought to that. But let's get started. Let's see how we do here. Oh man. Oh cool. Go fast behind the now. Great. So yeah, I'm gonna be cutting this out. I'm gonna start with Charmander, put him in the box as soon as I get a Pidgey. Sorry about that. And I will pick it back up from there. So I'll see you guys in a bit. Okay guys, here we are. This is our guy. This is our Pidgey. Let's just see what happens. Hope for the best. Yes, great. Alright, here we go. This is our guy. This is our pretty Pidgey. Yeah, great. Okay. Do we want to give it a nickname? Yeah. What should we call Pidgey? Let's call it, I'm gonna name it after, one of my little birdies, actually. I'm gonna name it Gwen. Because she's kind of like a Pidgey. Prettier, though, and smarter. Great, and let's drop off Charmander. I didn't even see what gender it was. Not that it matters, they're fake. Also, I'm sorry, you're gonna probably be seeing like the sped up version of this, but I'm using like the numpad as arrow keys and it's very awkward. Great. So my game plan now is just to level the hell out of Gwen. Knowing we gotta go to the Viridian Forest and knowing we gotta face Brock. So I'm gonna try and level her up to, she evolves at 18. So let's just see how long I can go before I get crazy annoyed. Okay? Great. See you guys in a bit. Hey guys, just a quick little update. Right now, Gwen, there we go, is at level 16, and I remembered another, I can meet Blue over here. Yeah, I named him Clown, because he's a fucking clown. And I realized that this will be just a fun little battle to watch me kick his ass with Gwen. I really I didn't realize, you know, I downloaded the emulator thinking like, I don't want to get out my, I have the double speed on the, when you play, sorry, I completely forgot the name of it. When you play Pokemon Stadium, there we go, on the Nintendo 64, you can play this game at double speed. If you get Pokemon Stadium 2 and unlock everything, you can play these games on double and then triple speed, but you have to unlock it. And I actually have a bugged version of Pokemon Stadium 2, so I can't play it on triple speed. You know, like one summer I was like, I'm gonna catch all the Pokemon and just do it. It's gonna be great. I'm gonna complete the Pokedex in all the games. And I did for Red, and then I was like, well, I have the original Silver and all that, but I don't wanna deal with that going back and forth nonsense when it's so slow. Like, right now, this is normal speed, and not normal speed. It's at like triple speed, I think. I love Nidoran. And I'm just holding down the one button to make it do that. But, it just goes so fast that I keep losing control. Nice. Because I'm not, like I said, I'm not very used to these controls. So yeah, just wanted to give you that update on Clownface. Okay, so you guys, probably won't meet Brock. I'm gonna try and evolve Gwen and see how far we get, okay? See you in a bit. Yeah! Gwen is evolving, you guys! Yay! Man, all that hard work. I have to say though, this very obviously was a lot faster than what this game used to be. Great! That's exciting. Oh wow, that was lucky. There's a potion right there. Okay, whoop. Okay, take this guy out. Let's go to the Pokemon Center and let's go tackle Brock right now. Let's do it. But it's so fast, I just don't expect it. Yes. Alright. Let's tackle the guy who says the light years before you meet Brock. Okay. Here we go, Junior Trainer. I'm hopeful. Okay, not bad. That's what I was hopeful for, that like you just leveled up strong enough to just overpower. And for anybody concerned, in this first game, I'm pretty sure, I could be wrong, but I don't think that there are like IVs and all that you have to worry about, like when you're leveling up your Pokemon. Great, good job, Gwen. Hey man, this is turning out pretty good. I know. Alright, let's do it. Let's face Brock before we do. Not that it really matters, but let's save. Yeah, see, it says that I've spent 2 hours doing this. I obviously have not. As you saw some of the fast forwarding. Okay, let's do it. Yes. Rock hard defense. Oh yeah, haha, get it? There's a penis joke in there somewhere. Anyways. Let's do it. Let's kick his ass. Oh, I was gonna pick up potions, I just thought about it now. Oh man, this is not gonna go over well. It might though. Okay. Gonna do one of these numbers. Waste his time, 2017. Okay. Oh man, is it? Okay, it is doing a little bit. I know it's fast forward, but otherwise it's just so long. It takes so long. I'm curious. I'm gonna save after this game too and see just how long it actually said. Because we were at 2 hours and 13 minutes. So if I hadn't fast forward, like, what would this actual time be? I really can't get over this fast forward function. I love it so much. It's so great for leveling up and training. I was worried because when I set out to do this, I was like, this is gonna be really fun, except this is gonna be hours and hours and hours of my life. Like, I wanna do other videos, I wanna play other video games, I wanna do other things. So I'm so grateful, and it took me a while to actually find this emulator, because there's Play R, P-L-A-Y, just in capital R, just to play old school games, and I was hopeful to just use that, because it's a great system, but it doesn't like the recording software very much. So, hopefully... Okay, nothing happened. Nothing. Right, great. Oh man, I can only hope. Since Bite is a normal type move, it should be fine, but he did use Screech. And Screech brings you down 2 levels of defense instead of the 1 like a Growl would. And I didn't see how many times he used Screech, I wasn't really paying attention. Did he bide for 3 turns or just 2? Okay, that's okay. Okay. So I'm at my lowest defense possible, so he used it a couple times. Oh. Never thought Sand Attack would be useful. I hate using Sand Attack and Growl and all that. I'm very much a go-in, swing-in kind of video gamer. And life, to be honest. Just like, go at it. Just do what works, you know? And I just feel like a lot of times Sand Attack and Growl and all that is a waste of time. But when you're doing all birds, clearly, this is very useful. And as I said earlier, I don't have any cheats or anything installed. This is all just pure muscle power. This is Gwen by herself. She is a strong, independent burb who doesn't need a water type move. Oh god, I had a little heart attack for a second when he when the attack hit. Yes! Wait, did we do it? Yes! Did it! Yay! Good job, Gwen! I'm so proud of you! Oh man, that was awesome. We defeated Brock! Yay! Go us! We're so great. Awesome. Yay. Cool. So now we're gonna go back to the Pokemon Center. I'm gonna pick up some potions before we go into Dark Tunnel, whatever. What? No, Dark Tunnel's the other one. What is... Stop it. I'm sorry. Okay. What is... Oh my god, that was so fast. The first tunnel that you go through. Oh, Mount Moon. When we go through Mount Moon, we're gonna have potions and stuff, just in case, just to be ready. And I think I get Spearow, actually, right outside of Mount Moon. So what I'm gonna do is, I hate when my Pokemon aren't at equal level. So I'm gonna go catch Spearow, and, whoop, no, and then, go, oh, would Aerodactyl? No, Aerodactyl's not a bird. Catch Spearow. Hopefully, I'll be able to just throw the Pokeball. Hope for the best. Can I get super potions yet? What? No super potions yet. Okay, cool. Gotta watch my Monai. There we go. I can get 7. Nope, not what I wanted. Okay. Okay. Great. Cool. So, I will pick it up again when we catch Spearow. I haven't been paying attention to how long of footage I'm actually going to use, since a lot of it's going to be cut out and sped up so you guys don't have to deal with watching me grind for a little bit. So I might see you in a hot second, or see you in the next one if I do. Bye! Spearow. It's go time. Come on. We can only hope. Fuck. Damn, like... Yay! Yay, we caught a Spearow, you guys! I'm so happy. Alright, let's name Spearow. Let's name it after I have an angry bird. Let's name Spearow, because Spearow always seems really angry to me, so... Coco. Just like my angry baby. Oh man, this is great. Great! Okay, well now for sure, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!